To show my competency for Standard 2 of the AECT standards, I will present two artifacts, a worked example screencast and a virtual field trip. I created and used these artifacts in the classroom with content pedagogy in mind. I created flexible and diverse learning environments and chose technology that would be most applicable to my setting in a Catholic school. In this worked example screencast, I used the technology of a pencast to present my algebra lesson to my students. I did this with a cursor and also with me in the corner of the video. I worked out the entire problem and left time for students to work out problems on their own. I created this lesson with content pedagogy in mind, since students make a connection better when someone is in the video with them. I also worked out all the steps and explained it to them. After the lesson, I would ask students for feedback. There were mixed replies for having a flipped classroom. In the end, I had a blended classroom and used the videos more for review than for flipping the classroom. For my second artifact, the virtual field trip, I developed a curriculum that would take my students on a virtual adventure of some of the most beautiful relics in Catholic history. They explored St. Peter's Basilica with a 360-degree tour and listened to a podcast from Father Dolan. They were able to navigate with Google Maps as well. Although I certainly created and used in this artifact, I want to concentrate more on how I managed to use appropriate technology for supportive learning environments and how I use the media in an ethical manner. Students were allowed to visit these relics each day in computer class, and they had a headset to listen to any audio. Since I am in a Catholic school, I am encouraged to show media that helps students to grow in their faith and have a deeper relationship with God.